This is the Urban Camper reporting live from Orlando at the scene of a tragic accident. Looks like a motorcyclist that they're trying to resuscitate back to life. Alright. That makes no sense, but I gotta go that way. You get a perfect view. Say they're trying to resuscitate him. That's the bike. The bike is destroyed. Totally destroyed. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Look out for your bikes, people. You know what I mean? You gotta look for them as much as they gotta look for you. This has been the Urban Camper. Jesus of my heart, God on my side. Reporting the news. You didn't know you want it.